Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Ethereum from Uniswap to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your ETH from a decentralized exchange like Uniswap to the security of Coinbase, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so proceed with caution. First off, why would you do this? Maybe you want to cash out, store your assets more safely, or just organize your portfolio. By 2025, blockchain tech might have evolved, but the core steps remain similar. Start by ensuring you have Ethereum in your wallet connected to Uniswap. Think MetaMask or another popular wallet. Open your wallet app and navigate to your ETH balance. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on a secure device. Head to the Accounts section and select your Ethereum wallet to get your unique deposit address. Copy that address carefully, it's your key to success. Step 2. Back in your wallet, like MetaMask, click on the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Keep in mind, there could be network fees, especially on Ethereum's mainnet, which might be lower in 2025 if upgrades like Ethereum 3.0 roll out. Review the transaction details, including fees, and hit Confirm. You'll need to approve it with your wallet's security features. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Coinbase account to confirm the ETH has arrived. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication on Coinbase. That's it, you've successfully transferred your ETH. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there. See you next time.